excited?
Yes, yes.
Here we are now at White Sands Bay, just outside the beautiful city of St David's. This is part of the Wales Coast Path and the Pembrokeshire National Path, and it's a really good opportunity to see some wildlife, some beautiful seabirds. If you're very lucky, you may see seals, and in the summer you see dolphins. It's also got some lovely plant life as well. So we're going to walk up and go around the headland and then see what we can see and hopefully catch some lovely nature shots.
I don't know what to do if you help me.
I think just being out in the sun, on the coast path, by the sea, the countryside, is just so good for our well-being. And we don't have to pay anything, it's free. What more can you ask for? It's perfect.
We are very grateful because we are a part of very interesting project. I love Wales. I love Welsh nature.
Have you been to this part before?
No,
Have you
my
been
first
before?
time.
First time.
My first time.
Yeah. Just
Good
look at
weather.
Oh,
Weather
it's sunshine
for us.
coming out, so it's lovely now.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a beautiful day today.
a short walk, but beautiful scenery, lovely fresh air. The sun came out. We had nice company.
Yes.
What more can you ask for? It's absolutely lovely. Are we going to do this again?
Yes. Lovely day.
Lovely day,
Sunshine.
I am very happy because it's sunny day.
Fabulous. Anybody over here? What did you do? Did you have a walk around?
Yes. We look outside, inside, everywhere. Today's been really good. The weather has improved steadily. It's lovely now. The sun is shining, the birds are singing. So I think we are fulfilling what we intended to do, which is connect people to nature. We were particularly asked to come here by some of our Polish ladies, and they were very excited when we got to St Patrick's Bay.
I am very happy, very glad because this is a wonderful place. I am grateful, and
Yeah, the sunshine.
And
The birds, they see you.
Connected with nature?
yes, of course, all day.
I think transport is a big issue, so we've hired 2 minibuses from Dolan Tavy. 2 of our members have trained to drive these buses, and it works out much cheaper to take people on journeys.
Well, I can't think of a better way for one of the last activities of our Connecting to Nature project than to be on this beautiful beach here in Pembrokeshire. We brought a group of people out here today just to enjoy this beautiful, beautiful spring weather. So we're going to sign off on our Connecting to Nature project from the beach here in Pembrokeshire, and thank you to everybody who's been involved. Thank you, everybody. You had a good time?
Yes.
Yeah.